Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can flip a photo on the iPhone 13 series. So first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Photos. In the Photos app, tap on the Library tab at the bottom. And in here, you want to open up a photo that you want to flip. And then tap on the Edit button at the top. Next, tap on the crop button at the bottom here. And at the top here, there is a flip button that you can flip. So just tap on it to flip the photo. And that's it. Finally, if you flip the photo, make sure that you tap on the done button to save the changes. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.